morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to Low Cost Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen, the Low Cost. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, guys. So today we're going to be doing a November monthly kit using Kimmis Studios A5 wide November kit, and we're also going to be using some tidbits creative tidbits monthly inserts. Yes, I did say January, but I haven't been using them, so I decided that I was going to use them, and then I realized I kind of messed up a little bit because I forgot that I did put the weekend together, which I personally like, but it is what it is. Anyway, guys, so moving on along. So I just cut that to fit it. So it's going to be a little funny, but I'm okay with it, you know. I'm going to roll with the punches. So this one is basically going to be kind of what I use like for my memory keeping. I'm also going to be trying to track videos and also any other things that I need to track. It's pretty much like the same thing. But oops, I hit the camera. All right, so those school stickers are from Sugar Pop Fizz. I'm not too sure if we go back to 29th, but I'm gonna put that sticker there. So either which way, I'll put a no school sticker, either from Sassy Planico, Sugar Pop Fizz, Planner Frenzy, or who else do I have no school stickers from? Oh, also Samuel Planning are another ones. So I just left up stickers because I have to put them back down, which is always the case. Never, you know, never a dull moment. I love the sidebar action because you can get it functional. You can also get it decorative, so that is pretty cool. So I'm just going to be putting down some washi stickers, and I did put some other washi stickers, but then I realized that I have to put them back because some of them are not the same size. So I'm going to put some of them for the days off for the Thanksgiving holiday and or Indigenous People Day. So that is what I'm going to be doing, and then I'll put the rest in my sticker book, which is from Sassy Planico. Use Eileen 20 to save 20% off and to get my PR freebie. I'm going to be marking down appointments. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.